ahead and run, honey.
What?
Go around and run. You'll have to go past him.
Run while he's not looking. Go.
There you go.
There you
Run,
go.
run, run,
Hey.
run.
Mommy.
Just wait for him to jump.
Okay, I got you.
You have to come around, buddy.
It is him.
He's looking for you.
Hey,
Come on. Yeah.
hey, can you guys babysit